Hi, in this video I will be looking at all the peripheral devices that can be connected to the AMP523 web-based mini stereo amplifier. This includes the WLI18, WMI18 and MWX45. The WLI18 and WMI18 are wall, line and mic input panels, which can be used in combination with a wide range of audac systems. It provides the possibility for transferring an audio signal from a line level audio source, such as an MP3 player, tuner, or even a computer, over a large distance by using a standard Cat5 cable. The MWX45 wall panel controller can also be used in combination with the AMP523. It provides the possibility to select the desired audio source and control the volume for one zone. The 7-segment LED display indicates the current selected audio from 1 to 8 or controls the volume. Thanks to its slim and good-looking design, these wall panels I have just talked about will blend in all kinds of different environments and interiors. All of them are available in standard size 45 by 45 millimeters and in black and white.